You want to say that first word there?
I'll say Ubisoft.
Oh, he's going to say Ubisoft.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm going to go with the safe route.
All right, because I thought you were going to stick to your previous pronunciation because you felt so strongly about it.
Hey, old habits, you know.
Ubisoft. I had to do it for you.
Sure.
Ubisoft has barely sold any Ghost Recon NFTs. Oh, boy.
Yeah. Just a quick update on them.
Boy. People got really fired up on this topic, and there's evidence of the dislike situation on YouTube. Gamers and NFTs. I don't know if it's across the board, but like few articles I've seen, it seems to be they're at odds, the two subjects. Even though you feel like they should maybe be related in some way, that maybe there could be a handshake or a fist bump or something, but apparently no.
No.
Ubisoft recently launched this Quartz NFT platform, a way to monetize game properties, something that didn't exactly go over well with their customers.
So they minted 3,000 NFTs.
Yeah.
But they only sold 15.
Yeah.
Which accumulates to a little less than $2,000
in
revenue.
Man, listen, man, it's game. I guess these game companies have been this variety of monetization strategies and just juicing money out, and people are fed up, I guess. You know, I'm not in it enough to personally feel this. I wouldn't be the type to purchase one of these things. I wouldn't be on the front of the line as far as Ghost Recon NFT is concerned. I think it's interesting how these two things could coexist. I think there's probably ways in which to make it work.
Yes.
I think people are pissed in this case for a number of reasons relating to the game as well, and not just the NFT portion of it. But this is one of those situations where a game developer, you need to know your audience.
Yes.
And maybe there's a way to avoid this in the future by really listening to them or finding a way to have open communication about where they want your efforts to be placed, because ultimately they're your customers at the end of the day. And they got to be satisfied for you to continue to have a successful product.
Yeah.
So, and I don't know. We'll see if they can find a way to morph it into something that people are actually interested in. But certainly that is not the case at the moment.
No.